So in this Wise tutorial video, I will be showing you how to add money by direct debit here on Wise. So once Wise is opened up, go to the bottom left and select the home icon. Once you're on the home page, you guessed it, at the top where it says home, send, add money, upload, go ahead and select add money. It'll then bring you to this page right here where you can type in how much money you want to add. So if you wanted to do $50 as an example, I would type in 50 and then I will press on done. Then once you're here, there's a bunch of different options here. You can change what currency you're paying in. So if you wanted to change this from Canadian dollars to another currency, you can select that. But right below where it says paying with, you want to make sure that direct debit is selected. So if I were to go ahead and press change right here, by default for me, direct debit is selected. So I'll just go ahead and select that option right there. If it says paying with direct debit, you have it correct. You can then go down and review the transaction. It'll show you how much fees there are, the arrival time. And if this looks good, go to the bottom, press continue to proceed that way with the adding of money by direct debit. So that is how to add money by direct debit here on Wise. Thanks again for watching. I hope this helps.